Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech24, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones with an in-depth look at the Apple iPhone 12, 64GB, blue fully unlocked, renewed. This phone is a game changer, folks. Not only is it unlocked and compatible with any carrier of your choice on both GSM and CDMA networks, but it's also been fully tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum battery capacity of 80%. That's peace of mind right there. And get this, when you receive the phone, all you need to do is insert a SIM card from a compatible carrier, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the on-screen prompts to activate service. It's that easy. Plus, it doesn't come with headphones or a SIM card, but it does include a generic, MFI certified charger and charging cable. So, if you're in the market for a top-notch smartphone that gives you the freedom to choose your carrier and comes with a guarantee for battery health, then look no further than the Apple iPhone 12, 64GB, blue fully unlocked, renewed. And the best part? You can purchase it right now through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and let's dive into the world of tech together. See you in the next video.